Let us learn how to use LocalDate class in Java. LocalDate introduced in Java 8. It represents a date in the format by default 4 times ymm-dd. It means example is 2018 12/05. So 2018 is year, 12 is month and 05 is dd. It does not store time or time zone. Local date is immutable class and it is the description of the date such as birthdays. So we can use it for the for like birthdays. Local date is a value based class, and to compare two instances of local date we should use its equal method. We can fetch many other fields of the date from local date such as day of year, day of week, month of year, etc. The format of local date can be changed using its format method. Passing datetime formatter. The methods of local date is now, at time, format, get day of month, get day of week, minus, plus, equals, compared to, etc. Now let us see how to create the local date. Use its now method. This will give the current time, current date as a local date. So what we have to do, that call its static method now local date dot now, and we will get the object of local date. This is the current time, but if we want to give our own time, we can use of method. Pass year, month and day of month like this, 2018 11/30. So this will be specified date as local date. We can also do one more thing, that we can pass as a string. Look here, this is 2018 10/01. We can use parse method to create local date. This will parse by default with this format 4 times ymm-dd. This will parse by default with this format. Now local date.parse. If you want to give different format to parse, we can provide datetime formatter and provide your own format, and then local date.parse can parse the string using that format. So in this way we can create our local date object. Now let us discuss some of its methods. Get. So what we can do is that if we have the object of local date, then if you want to get the year, we can call the chronofield year. In the same way we can call it month, day, whatever. Another is, there are some methods like get day of month, get day of week, get day of year, get month, and we can call them like this. Local date.get, this will give the year, okay, and you can call directly get day of month to get the day of month, or we can call the get month, that will return the month object. So there are the methods like get day of month, get day of week, get day of year, get month. Now suppose I have an object of local date and we want to print data, or we want to get data as a string in our desired format. So what we can do, that we can format by passing datetime formatter and our format using off pattern method and pass your exact required format, and then we will get the local date as a string in the specified format. Plus and minus. Look at this. This is plus. So what we can do is that local date dot plus pass amount to add and then unit. Okay, look at this here. This is the local date and we want to get another local date by adding 15 days. So look at this. We are doing specifying 15 days and then its unit. This 15 is as days. In the same way we can minus it by passing like this. Now we will see some examples. I have example. First we will create the local date. Look at here. Now we can use off and we can parse it. So now we'll give the current date of, we can specify year, month, day of month, and we can parse the string, and by default it will parse in 4 times yyyy-MM-dd, and if we want to parse a string in our desired format, we can pass date time formatter like this. Okay, so we got this current date using now, and this date is specified date 2018 11:30, 2018 11:30, and this date we have got it by parsing the string 1530 2018, and this is in the format dd mm 4 times y. Okay, in this way we got this date. Now look at the get method. We can use chronofill.year, not only year, we can call day of week, day of year, day of epoch day, whatever we can call it by passing the chronofill dot that option. Another are some are methods like get day of month, get month, and get day of week, get day of year. In this way you can look at here. Okay, get day of week, get of year, get era, get month value, get year. In this way whatever we want we can fetch it directly. Look at here. This is year, chronofill dot year. So we got this. Get day of month. This is 20. This is the current, basically current date, and this is get month as a month object. This is December. Okay. Now let's see how to plus and minus. We can call plus method and pass the specified value and then unit. This plus 15 is days or hour or second. We have to specify like that. To minus from the given date, we can call the minus method, specify the value and then the unit. Okay, this is the current date, and this we get by adding 15 days. This is current date is 20 this December 2024. I'm adding 15 days. Now it's 4th January 2025, and here what I'm doing that I have deducted 15 days. So 15 days from what? From this current date. Then this is 5th of December 2024. In this way we can plus and minus days. Now let us see how to format according to our specified pattern. Suppose I have an object of local date as by I am getting this by using now. This is current date. Now I am using datetime formatter as yyyy-MM-dd 4 time y. So this will be our specified date format, and we are getting the local date as written like this: DEC 202024. So in this way we can format the date using datetime formatter by passing we have to pass it to the format method of local date. Okay, thank you.